was driving in Pennsylvania, I-78, and suddenly I see there's a truck crossing lane and stops completely. That's insane. I was going downhill, 80,000 pounds, and the guy completely stopped. I checked the mirror, he was still there with his right signal turning to move in right lane back. If I didn't react fast enough, I slammed the brakes and I didn't say I can't stop. I don't have enough distance to stop. So I had to do the wheel right side. Only God help me. If not, somebody was dead or in a hospital. People need to be more pay attention. Not just, it was legal crossing double lanes and completely stopped.